So let's get this meal going, Bobby. We're making your recipe for grilled spiced rub shell steaks. I'm just gonna brush our grill with a little olive oil because it's getting hot. I'm using our cast iron griddle to cook these steaks inside now.
I've busted a garlic clove.
And you're just gonna rub that
Rubbing
meat.
it down.
Now, what kind of steaks are these?
It's a shell steak. It's real tender, and it comes from the short loin.
From the short loin. Somewhere.
Right about there.
So, well, it looks delicious.
It does look good. They're really big steaks, too.
And while you're rubbing our meat with garlic, I'm gonna start putting together our rub.
It's real simple.
And to make our rub, yeah, it's so simple. I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano. So I have switched to the 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of chili powder. It'll give it some nice flavor. And to that, I'm gonna add a little salt, a little fresh ground pepper. So just that quickly, we've got our rub together. And you can really make them up out of any of your dry spices and herbs that you got in your cabinet. Depends what you like.
And I've done that. I've experimented a little bit at my house with some different rubs for ribs and things like that.
Yeah, let me just pat down this rub on there, and I'm gonna put the rub on.
You want me to flip it for you?
No, honey, that's all right. I've already got my hands all over this meat, so.
Those are beautiful steaks.
Aren't they beautiful? All right, we are gonna need a side dish to go with this beautiful shell steak you got going. Here, and I'm gonna wash my hands. I love it when I have the opportunity to get in here in the kitchen with my family, and we always have a good time.
Yes, we do.
Cooking.
And I usually learn something when I'm here too. I like that.
You do. You know, and I learn things from you too.
Really?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
How not?
No.
I'm just kidding.
Now we're gonna cook these, y'all, about 6 or 7 minutes per side.
Right. And with a good steak, flip it one time.
One time. And we like ours like medium rare. Or medium.
We like ours medium. I like mine a little more medium. A little more medium.
Like ours medium rare. Let me check these steaks, son. Ooh, a doggies.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, doggy. Look at that, y'all. That dry rub has crusted over on that steak, giving it almost a charred, blackened look. It is gonna be delicious.
God, it smells so good.
I'm so lucky you, my family.
Well, you know what? I'm lucky you're mine.
Y'all stick around, because we're gonna be right back in this kitchen with family, and we're cooking.
Steaks, y'all.
Yes. So, Bobby, I say the steaks are ready.
Yeah, I know which one's yours.
Which one?
This one.
All right, put them up here on this platter, and we'll just kind of cover them up.
I think mine might have just a minute more left to go.
You think so?
I think it might.
Not long.
Right. You gonna eat them both?
If I have to. All right, son. Is your steak ready now?
Yeah, that was enough for me. I just like mine just a little more done than yours.
I know it. All right. I love me some meat.
I do too. Well, this is yours right here.
Okay. Gonna put us a little vegetables on.
Yeah. Well, here comes the steak
Bobby,
over here.
Your steak is cooked perfectly for you. Turn that around so everybody can see it. Look at that. That's just the way you like
That's exactly
them.
how I like it.
Well, I'm gonna try mine.
Dry rub.
Ooh-wee.
That's right.
I love meat.
That's right. God, that's good. Well, the steak, it's a great cut of steak.
Yeah, it is. And how about that crust?
But the rub that you put on,
rub.
the rub you put on is what makes it.
Well, Bobby, I see you got some more things
Yeah,
out
I got
on
something
the
I want to show you, but I'm gonna try to choke this steak down before I do that. Before we move on to the appetizers.